Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a Hobby Lobby haul. So this is the only bag, so it's not a big haul, but I was there yesterday by myself, which is crazy. Well, that's not true. It seems like recently I've gone with my friends, but this time I went by myself because I needed some paper. I needed this and it was on sale for 50% off, and I really like the heavyweight cardstock that they have. And I'm just taking out everything so you can see. Oh gosh, I've forgotten I've gotten some of this. And I'm gonna save the best over there. At least I think it's the best. Oh yeah, and there's the tag for it. Okay, so let's see. I needed some white cardstock, and I also wanted to get some VersaFine ink, because I don't have any of that, and it's supposed to be good. And I'm sorry, put the bag down. Put the bag down, lady. Okay. The VersaFine ink is supposed to be really good for detailed images. So some of my more intricate stamps, I thought I would like to try this. And I love this brand. I know that they are really good. And it was $8.99, but I used my 40% off coupon for that. So I got that for 40% off. Now everything else was 50% off. And I'm going to start with this. So you know that we're doing MD cards this year with my couple of my friends, and I am loving it. And I found these little coins that I thought would be so cute to add to the MD cards. Like maybe do a pocketbook and put some coins in there or something. I thought they were adorable. And I know this reminds me of my dad. He collected coins and he loved them. And we had little coins that were similar to this, but they were, I think they were real. I don't think that you could spin them, but they were little, and they were from our birth year. So I had 1971 because I'm 29. So I had 1971, penny, nickel, dime, quarter, and it was really cute. And I think I even had like a Susan B. Anthony. I don't know if I had it from 1971. I don't even know if they made them in 1971, but I know that there's a collection. And my brother has all of the coins now, so he has even my little small coin collection that I had. He collected coins and he collected stamps, and my mom kind of did the coin thing with him. So this reminds me of them, and I just love that. So I thought that was cool. And then in their 99-cent ribbon spool section, they had this wolf that I thought was really cute. And now with my new pups, I know that that will be used. So I got that. And I also got this loop turner thing. It was half off, and it was $4.29, so it was $2.12-ish. $2.15, and what it does is it has a hook on one end and then a puller on this end. So let's say you have a sweatshirt that the string came out of. This is a catcher for that string, and you can pull it back through. I thought, oh, that's going to come in handy, so I went ahead and got that. That's not for my craft room. And then I found these that I don't think I'd seen before. Now, I'll probably go through my stash and I'll find that I already have them, but I thought they were really cute. And since I don't remember seeing them, I went ahead and picked those up. I thought they would be a cute addition to lots of things. MD cards mostly, but anything. I don't really like to use puffy on my planner, but I could use it on a card. And then I did have MD cards in mind when I saw these, and these were $1, and they're just really cute. And there's 2 sheets, and since I make 2 MD cards for my friends, I thought, ooh, I could use a sheet for each one. So there's those. And then with my new puppies, I saw this, and I thought this would be really cute in my planner. I could put down, just, I don't know, going potty, like keeping track of like little baby stuff that you do. They're going potty outside all the time. They had their 6-week booster shot. They had their ID thing put in or whatever. So all of those things, I thought that these would be kind of cute in my planner to use. So I got those. Those were only $1.50. And then I found this, which I thought was really cute. And it was $14.99, but again, it was half off. And it has, well, this one's upside down, but it has that cute bulldog with the glasses. Has that. And then it has, this one says, pet all the pets. I thought that was cute. And then this one has different breeds of dogs. And then this one has little cat faces, or maybe it's a dog and a cat and a dog and a cat. I think that's what it is. And then there's different cat faces, like the dog faces. And this one says, hug all the kitties, I think. And then there's yarn, and then there is paw prints, and then this top one says bark, woof, bark, woof, bark, woof. So just really cute, animal-y washi I thought was adorable. So I got that. Then I needed my cardstock. I like to use the Stampin' Up! Whisper White, but frankly it is quite expensive. And with the number of stuff that I use, I go through it like crazy. So I can get 100 sheets for $15.99, but it's actually half of that. So for $8, I can get 100 sheets. So that comes out to like 8 cents a sheet, which is awesome. You know, 4 cents for a base of a card. So I like to use this, and that's something that I am going to keep as a staple for sure. And then I went ahead and found 2 more paper pads, neither of which I need, but this one is Mistletoe Lodge, and it's by the Paper Studio, and I just thought it was really cute. I wasn't going to get it because I know I have lots of other Christmas paper, but I'll show you here in a second as to what made me change my mind and get it. And it's not just the plaid, although I do love the plaid in here. Okay, so look, I mean, look at this. It's so pretty, and it's kind of textured paper, which is just gorgeous. So there's 3 sheets of each. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3 sheets of each. And the pretty snowflake. This one says, "Have a cozy Christmas." Some pretty trees. That's nice. Little berries. Some old-fashioned sleds. Or toboggans. I don't know. I call them sleds. And then that plaid is pretty. This is pretty. I think this is mistletoe. I don't know. I love this. I love this too. I don't know if you can see, but there's a scarf and then no scarf and scarf. And critters with scarves. This paper was one of the ones that did it for me. It looks like a baby deer. Oh my gosh, I just want to pet it. It looks so cute. So there's that one. And then I love these birch trees. And these snowflakes on the red barn are cute. But this is the one that I was like, oh my gosh. I love these cardinals. I just thought that was gorgeous. So combined with everything else, I just had to get it because I just thought it was super cute. Snowshoes. I love this one too. And the plaid, I just can't get over. And the snowflakes. There's another one similar to that other one. And that's all of them. But I thought this was a really cute paper pack. And then I found this one, which is Glam Glitter. And this is in brights. And they have others. They had a glitter one that was in solids. And I feel like there was another one that was in like golds and silvers, like the metallic, like not colored, but just golds and like metallic-y, I guess. So this one is brights, it says. And it looks like there's 24 sheets, 8 designs, 4 solids, 2 each. So 8 designs, there's 8 designs and 4 solids, and you get 2 of each sheet. Now I'm with it. Look at how cool this is. And it's that kind of glitter that doesn't come off. It's on the page. It won't come off on your hands or anything. So I thought it was great. So there's 2 of each page, I think is what they said. And it's nice. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. And I love this one. And the chevron. This one has polka dots. It's gold with silver polka dots. I don't know if you can see that, but look how pretty that one is. This is one of my favorites. I love the polka dots here. And I love this wider chevron. And then here's a pretty pink and a pretty gold. And I would call this more of a rose gold. And then a blue. So that is all of the colors in this one. And I thought this was really pretty too. So these were both half off, making them each $10. And I know I don't need any more paper, but I really liked them. So I got them, you know. Sometimes you just get things you don't even need just because you like to have them. Just like this. So last but not least, bam, I got a planner holder. And the whole reason I got it is because it has my girls on it. You know how much I love these girls. They are so stinking cute. And it has a handle up here at the top. Has a pocket on the side and a pocket on the side here that you can put whatever, pencils or whatever. It's not probably big enough for a water bottle. And then it zips up like kind of like a messenger bag. And then you open it up and it's plastic on the inside. And it has 2 plastic zipper pockets here. I was thinking you could easily put washi in here or your pens or whatever, and I love that it's all plasticky. So let's say your pen leaks or whatever, it's not going to go through and ruin everything. And then it has this pocket, which is kind of the same, just, you know, just 2 pockets. Pens, washi, whatever, stickers. And then in here it has 2 pockets too. Now this is removable, so it doesn't go all the way, or it does, this comes out, so it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. This middle part doesn't. So I mean, like if you put pins or something on this side, it will travel through to the next side. So I like that it has these pockets up here. But you can put your planner on one side, and you can put some of your paper or sticker pack or whatever in the other side. You can just remove this all together if you wanted to. It's just Velcroed in there. But I really liked it. I thought it was kind of cute. And it was $34.99, and it's called Agenda 52, the Paper Studio. Yeah, it just says planner case. So I thought this was really cute, and for $34.99 it was half of that, so $17.50, because everything, like I said, that was Paper Studio, was half off. So for $17.50, I mean, it's a nice canvas, has the lovely women on it, and it's plastic on the inside. And because I do a lot of MD card, like, well, we do the exchanges, and sometimes we plan. And then I was even thinking, like, when I go on trips, I know I'm going to be going to Wisconsin in August, and I know that I'm going to be going to Chicago in November. I can use this to carry my planner and my next week's, you know, stuff, so that I can do my plan with me's. So I thought, you know, I put it in my head, I rationalized it, but I really do like it. And yeah, it was the only one they had too, so I grabbed it up. So that's my haul from Hobby Lobby. I hope that you guys liked it, and yeah, check it out. See what you can find there. They have lots of great Christmas stuff that I can't wait to get, but it wasn't on sale, so I didn't get anything that wasn't on sale or that I couldn't use my coupon on. Those are my rules mostly for Hobby Lobby, unless I really need something. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.